Hey, what's up, guys?
Hey, guys.
It's us again, Zach and Grayson with Dreamedia Home Theater, and today we're going to be unboxing some outside speakers.
Something's very special.
The ES-500-AW-6 BLK. That means they're 6-inch woofers, all weather, which means they can get rained on, and they're the black color.
Yeah.
It's very descriptive. So let's take a look.
Pop this open for you real quick.
Let's see what's inside.
Got some screws.
User manual.
User manual, of course.
Wow.
Nice packaging for shipping.
Yes, they do a very nice job of packaging that, Grayson.
Oh, and then we
I'm
have
glad you
some
noticed.
speakers.
Whoa! You know, one thing I really like about Episode, guys, is that all of their speakers come with a lifetime warranty, and they're pretty much all around the country. This customer service is absolutely phenomenal. It's a very well-built speaker from a company that was actually founded by custom integrators. Take a look at the product. Very well built, good quality, and most
Completely
importantly, it lasts.
It lasts.
Yeah, and you can see even on the backside, they go to the extent of sealing up. And we're gonna need to take this off anyways.
Yeah. Just like that.
So they even go to the extent of sealing up this back panel. They even put nice gold-plated push terminals here, and then once you get your wires hooked up, you just put this
That baby on there.
Yep.
Seal her up.
Your wire comes in right there and keeps it nice and clean.
Yeah.
And keep all those bugs out of there.
Ooh, no bugs or rain for that matter.
Or rain.
Or hail. Or any other type of.
The thunder, lightning. Whatever.
Also, another cool thing about these.
What else is cool?
It has this. And that's this. And you can take it off. Take it off the speaker. And it has these nice mounting positions. So you can mount it horizontally like this, or vertically like this. Obviously, vertical.
That's a very good point, Grayson.
And then you just put it on the wall.
Okay,
Once it's on the wall.
okay.
So say this is the wall. Then you just slide it on in. Boop, click.
Whoa.
And then while it's on there,
Look at that.
you just
You can adjust the degree.
adjust the degree.
Okay.
And then, you know, when you got the right degree, you screw them back on.
Just like that. Okay, well, guys,
And
I hope.
there's another speaker as well in here. There's two. It comes in a pair, actually. This
Yes, yeah, these are sold by the pair. Now, I hope you guys found this video informative and gave you a closer look as to what's included inside the box. Now, we're going to get this hooked up and do a little demo when we're done with this system so you guys can hear them. Now, if you'd like to purchase this product, make sure you give us a call or shoot us an email. We have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. This is Zach and Grayson with Dreamedia Home Theater. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more. Thanks for watching. Pow! Boom! Get you some.
Get you some.
Literally,
Yes.
call us. Get you some.
Get you some.